Greetings everyone, Mukesh Premji Maru welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn the magic of pyramid fortune numbers to find your missing force of destiny from your birth date. To make the best of this science of numerology, let's first understand three kinds of fate we are all bounded with. The first 1/3 33% part of our fate is known as heaven's luck, Devik Bhagya. This has already been made up before you were born based on your karmas in your previous life, and this could be positively changed by practicing Vipassana meditation. Detailed information on how you can acquire this knowledge could be taken from vastuconsultancy.co.in and our meditation YouTube videos. The second 1/3 33% part of our fate, known as earth luck, Bhautik Bhagya, is based on the 5 elements of earth, namely wood, fire, earth, metal, water, and 9 planets of the universe, namely Sun, Moon, Jupiter, Rahu, Mercury, Venus, Ketu, Saturn, Mars, which could be controlled with the science of numerology based on the special magic square 3x3 grid. And the secret of creating fortune is being revealed to you in this video today. The third and the final part of our fate is known as mankind luck, karmic Bodhidak Bhagya, based on our karma in this lifetime. Vastu Consultancy is conceived to alter this particular part of the human fate in order to bring about a positive and complete change in your physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, materialistic well-being. Thousands of people have changed their luck with the science of numerology. Why not you? It is so easy. You just have to follow these steps to find your missing force of destiny. Write your birth date. For example, 15th August 1947. Take the first number, say date, example 15, and add both the digit to get a single digit. Example 15 equals to 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Similarly, do for the second and third number related to the month and year. Example, month 08 equals to 0 plus 8 equal to 8. Year 1947 equal to 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 7 equal to 21, equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now add the single digit of your date, month and year. Example, 6 plus 8 plus 3 equal to 17, equal to 1 plus 7 equal to 8. Write all the numbers seen in your date and only single digit numbers obtained by addition. Example, here the given date is 15/08/1947. So one digit numbers in this birth date are 1, 5, 8, 1, 9, 4, 7. Numbers obtained by addition are 6, 8, 3. The numbers obtained by addition of date, month and year is 8. Now check the missing number from the mystic pyramid fortune number special magic square 3x3 fixed Saturn grid, where 1 represents career, success, business associated with element water, planet Sun, direction north. 2 represents marriage relationship associated with element earth, planet Moon, direction southwest. 3 represents family associated with element wood, planet Jupiter, direction east. 4 represents wealth associated with element wood, planet Rahu, direction southeast. 5 represents health associated with element earth, planet Mercury, direction center of the grid. 6 represents helpful people, travel, new beginnings associated with element metal, planet Venus, direction northwest. 7 represents children and creativity associated with element metal, planet Ketu, direction west. 8 represents knowledge and spirituality associated with element earth, planet Saturn, direction northeast. 9 represents name, fame, recognition associated with element fire, planet Mars, direction south. Now we could observe that here in the chart 1, number 2 representing earth element is missing, which indicates the person born on 15th August 1947 will face problem in marriage relationship. Now let's check for few more example. Here in the chart 2, the person born on 17th September 1950, number 2 representing earth element, number 3 representing wood element, number 4 representing wood element is missing, which indicates the person born on 17th September 1950 will face problem in marriage relationship, family relationship and wealth. Here in chart 3, the person born on 26/12/1947, the luckiest person on this planet Earth with no missing numbers at all. So today we revealed to you the secret of creating fortune based on the science of numerology and learned the mystic way to find the missing force of destiny. For any doubts or clarification and missing numbers, corrections and enhancements, kindly visit vastuconsultancy.co.in. If you liked the video, kindly like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you. May all beings be happy.